Hello, this is Sergio from the ClinicSense support team, and today I'll be going over how to use and read the Wellness Check-in Report. The Wellness Check-in Report goes hand in hand with the Wellness Check-in communication email that's sent to your clients who haven't scheduled an appointment with you in a while. Here, within the Wellness Check-in Report, you'll be able to specifically see clients who have not responded to your Wellness Check-in emails or who don't have an email address on file. You'll see a list of the client names, including when their last appointment was, and you'll also have their home phone and mobile phones available so that you can reach out to them and see if they want to schedule another appointment with you. If someone isn't applicable or you can't reach out to them, you can simply click on the remove button to remove the client from the report. Additionally, you can download this report as a CSV or PDF file. I hope this helps, but if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Our email is support@clinicsense.com. Have a good one. Bye-bye.